You can introduce yourself.
My father from Bangalore, India, Fitness.
Hello. Why are you in Desos today?
Today we are going to finalize the fitness equipments. We saw so many factories. One of the biggest factory in DHZ. We are going to buy the equipments from them.
What is the difference between factories in South China and here?
See, South China, what I found it is so many factories. You have to aware about that. Means there is a trading companies are more. There is no manufacturer. You have to come here directly to the manufacturer only. You can see live their work place where they are manufacturing and all.
Right.
So you'll get to know that so many ideas and there is a lot of quality and price difference also you'll get to know.
Right. What's the price difference the trading company and the factory?
See, company, most of the trading company means just guess like they are like a business. They doesn't have any idea. When you know the product is the product, then only you can sell the thing. What you know, especially see example I'm giving you this car about this. See, this is the car. You know,
Percent difference from the
for the price. I'm not talking about the price. Main thing is especially if you like the product, then only you'll talk about price. No, but if you're
for South, you say all the
South,
trading companies and you
yeah, we went to South. So many fitness equipment manufacturer. They are saying, I don't want to take any names. Okay.
Right. But
they're
all trading companies, right?
I don't know their manufacturer or trading company. I don't want to go that much research about them. Why? Because I did not like the products. See, when you are going any kind of showroom, like if you are going to purchase any car or something, you are doing. You are taking the test drive first thing. In test drive only, if you are not going to know the, if you are not liking the car, are you going to inquire much about that?
No, we cannot, right?
Yeah. If you like the product only, if you take the test drive, then only you will go to ask the price, what is the specification in detail, you will go that.
Yeah.
That is actually, I came to here researching. Here I found it very good.
This is your personal use, or what are you going to do with this equipment?
No, we are going to reselling also. We are going to upcoming opening gyms also. Yeah.
When you talk about the quality of the product, what is the main difference you see in a gym equipment which you find in India and in China? What is the difference?
Especially in India, what I found, you can see there are the still in India so many equipments. What are the technology we are seeing right now? There no one is introduced still in India.
So how many months or years you think this technology you can find it in India?
Depends on the generation. Generation means the person is innovation is I want to open like a different kind of gym. I want to innovate something. If I want to open the gym like to others, then only you can see the different. See, especially every day if you are having the same food. There's no
boring,
man. Yeah. If you are coming and trying something new things and all, no, that is actually it first comes to in your mind.
I understand.
Yeah, I think it will take another 3 to 4 years, 5 years.
So,
you cannot able to
what
say.
is your motivation when it comes to sell high-tech equipments in India? What is your motivation?
See, actually the lagging part it is in India. Are selling the equipment in India, especially they are like very good business they are doing. I don't want to tell they are not doing properly, but they are not giving much educated to the are going to open the gym. Price wise also it's very unique difference. They are giving like example 1.5 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees one treadmill. And that too, it is not a. After coming here, I feel that is a very poor quality. Okay, India, it is a poor quality they are selling. And you know what? One more thing, people are telling in India, China goods are not really good. It is a very quality. Means what they say. See, here you need to understand the one logic here. See, sometimes some Indians actually they spread the like news. Actually, there is each and every product there is having the quality. It depends on the what budget you are having. There is a quality A, B, C, D.
So
there is a 4 categories.
The more budget you spend and get a good quality. My question is, you able to get good quality with little cheaper price?
Yeah, it does depend on your see what you want. You decide first. See, when you are going to open the gym,
Mm.
you can open in 10 lakhs also. 5-6 lakhs also you can going to open.
Right.
And you can going to up to 100 CR also you are going to
Yeah,
open.
yeah.
So there you want to choose which as per your budget you can get the taste also.
Right.
So that's what I can able to say that.
So you recommend customers visiting China and buying equipment, or they contact you?
Yeah,
Both
I'm
is
fine with
okay.
that.
Okay.
See, they are contacting with me.
Mm.
What I done research in that equipments,
Mm.
deep depth knowledge I will give you.
Right,
that.
right.
So we are not going to keep it like a are selling in India
Mm.
like triple of the price. We don't
Yeah.
want it to go in selling.
Yeah. MG here. Welcome to the show. We are a sourcing and shipping company. Today we have an Indian client looking for gym equipment. One of the biggest in the world. The manufacturer they have here to look at the equipments. So if you need any products which you want to import from China, just contact us. We will be giving you from door-to-door service.